Hello folks, today we'll be going over drift tunes. Yes, more drift tunes.
You good?
Yeah, and I just started recording, fun fact. And anyways, let's go over the drift tunes. This one is the Cruiser, because apparently this is the best rear-wheel drive tune, and yeah. You already know the engine swaps, just make sure don't put anti-lag. Y'all already know the engine swaps. This is the old regular 7-speed because this car doesn't have a 4-speed. This drift. This components. Okay. This. The reason why I added those parts because I feel like it just looks cooler. That. This. And this. And that's pretty much the whole tune. And then let's just go into the custom tuning. It's a really good cruiser, I'm telling you. Anyways, let's go to the what's it called? Where is it? The Miata, one of my most cool. I personally think is one of my favorite builds. But I mean, look how squatted that beauty is. All right, this. By the way, this is for drifting. But don't, yeah, so just don't put anything here. Anti-lag makes it worse. Alright, 4-speed, race drive, off-road diff. You probably know everything for this. This. If you need to pause the video, pause it. This and this. These tires and these wheels. You know why I picked these wheels? Because I think they look clean, not for any weight reduction. You can do different wheels. And here's this. This. This, and oh, I didn't I didn't realize I had that at 100. I hope none of my other tunes are like that. Anyways, the super drift here, I think we have a drag one, spoiler alert. I'm gonna probably do a drag video. Alright, yeah, well, let's just go with the Sylvia. Here, this is the 2.5 LT, all drive, body kit. Cause like, with no body kit, this car looks terrible, so yeah. Same engine swaps, just no anti-lag because it'll make it rough bang, and then you can't drift. Drift this, you know, the old regular stuff that you see in all of my drift tunes. This and this is supposed to make it lighter. Snow tires. Now, like I said, driving trouble, just pause the video. 265s and then 285s in the back. For the tune, alright, and I think we got one more. Oh yeah, we also got a drag Supra we could do if y'all want a really good drag Supra. Stock, all-wheel drivetrain, turbos, body kit. Same regular, just always no anti-lag turbos, trans for this and this. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Just a bit cooler looking, because I don't like. You guys look at those wheels. Look at those wheels, though. You can't say that's not clean. $275s and $345s in the back. Alright, and for the last car, it's gonna be a drag car. I think I made it on a video, I'm not even too sure. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, after this video, I'm gonna post all the tunes, but I forgot to post all the tunes that I just showed y'all. I wish somebody could have reminded me of that. No body kit. Same thing, but with anti-lag. 8-speed. Race drive line, drift trans, and yeah, it's just the old regular drag tune. If you don't know drag tuning, sorry, but because I'm going fast. This was one tune, I would probably still be at the tuning part, because I would slow down if it was just one tune, but 255 and then 345s in the back. And what wheels? These. And for this, nothing. This max. Custom tuning this, and this, and then let's release this. And let me know down in the comments if you like this video, and I will see y'all later.